Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Sayan Point. This area is very beautiful because this company have a restaurant, swimming pool and the bar. So also have enjoy your coffee with the beautiful view. And also in this company they have the swing like Bali swing for your Instagram. And then also we have like a niche to make a photo and everything. I will show you what we have in this company. Just check it out. Hello guys, see you again in my channel. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't to forget to hit the bell. Okay, today we will explore Sayan Point. It's around 20-minute driving from the Central of Ubud. This company is open on 9 AM, but I come earlier. I come to this company around 8 AM, so it's still so quiet. You can make photo there. Okay, down there is like a bar, so you can have some coffee there and enjoy with the view. Also this area, you see, this is the restaurant. Also we have second floor restaurant. It's good to see the view from the top. Simple bar but very nice. And also we have two swimming pool here. It's very beautiful to make photo and then video footage because this area is very nature. From the swimming pool, we can look down. There is a river. That river we call the Ayung River in Ubud. This morning I have some coffee, relaxing and enjoy the view. Was wonderful morning today. So this is Sayan Point. So what do you think? It's very beautiful, isn't it? So make sure you come to this place for a few hours to spend your coffee, lunch, and also swimming pool. It's very, very beautiful. So if you want to know this area, you can see in description. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.